Okay. No panic. I watched Senpai's Trident stream where she was looking for a Trident for like 10-12 hours. She killed 5 million dudes with a Trident and she didn't get it until like 12 hours later. And I get it with one fucking Trident, not even trying? What? I got a Trident without even trying. Life comes too easy for this lucky phoenix. Hey. Gura Pekora, watch me. I got a Trident without even trying.